Very good morning, students. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about ways to reduce global warming. In last lecture of greenhouse effect and global warming, we have learnt impact of global warming. Now let's see what are the ways to reduce the global warming, to reduce the temperature of the earth and to get green and clean earth. By using materials such as bamboos, recycled metals, organic paints in construction of building, we can reduce global warming. By using solar energy to heat and light homes and offices, means all electric appliances should be utilized by solar energy. Solar panels should be set up in every office, at homes. Even in our school terrace there are these solar panels on which electricity runs, like lights and fans runs. Also we have in our homes solar cooker, solar charger, solar water heater. So these all appliances should be used to reduce pollution. Also, if you can see this picture, it is of Ola cars. By using clean fuel like CNG and unleaded petrol to run vehicles. Now, what is this Ola Uber? By making changes in everyday practices such as choosing to travel in public vehicles, biking, walking, or using carpooling or carpool. Now, what is carpool? For example, you are traveling from Mumbai to Thane. So you will use your own car or a private vehicle. So that much fuel consumption will happen, pollution will increase. So instead of one car for one person, multiple person can use that car. For example, in a car, 3 persons can travel. So that 3 person can share this cab. So this facility we get in Ola and Uber, that is share cab, that is carpooling. Also buying energy efficient household appliances like CFL bulbs and replacing it with light bulbs. Now CFL bulbs will help you to reduce pollution, and also it gives you more energy and less electricity can be consumed. Also you can increase oxygen by planting trees. Trees are very important. You know that trees take in carbon dioxide and gives oxygen. And there are too few plants and trees to fully counter the increase in CO2. So more and more of afforestation will reduce global warming. And more of deforestation will increase the global warming. So we should take care that we plant more trees, grow more trees. Also one more method is there: reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce the waste by buying reusable products. You can also buy products which is less packaging, that you can throw less waste. By recycling half of your household waste, you can save up tons of carbon dioxide, that is CO2, every year by being released into the atmosphere. So whenever you can, recycle paper, plastic, glass and metals, which will be very helpful to reduce global warming. Thank you.